Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Michael with Archimede Design. Today we're going to talk about, or just show you, I suppose many people are familiar with Milwaukee bit holders. Yeah, especially this particular size. I have these bits, which actually aren't too hard to get out. And you know where I'm going with this. These are really tight. Generally, you can take these out. Although I did come up with some ideas for that one. But in particular, I have these drill bits that are also the 1/8 inch, so they can just fit right into a drill and not be round. And boy, pulling these things out, especially with sharp edges and stuff like that, it can be really hard. I've seen people talk about using a pliers. I've used the pliers to get these things out, and they're very, very difficult. So I came up with a few different things. I'm just going to show you really quick. And I'm not going to do the design stuff. I'm just going to show you the options I came up with, and then we're going to go through just putting some of these things in. So I'll show you what I have. I just want to make sure I have the right ones. Okay, so the drill bits, they come in two parts. There's a single 8-position fitting, and then there's a 16-position fitting. This was my solution to replace these for the 16 position. When I make these available on my Thangs page, one version will have the actual inch marks. There'll be another one that is blank, so you can put on your own stickers or modify the model to have your own. And then there's 8-position one. They're a little taller than what you'll see in the Milwaukee's default one, but the way it works, and I'll show you when I start to put these together, is you can press them in, but when you take them out, you can just pull them out and then press them back down in, and it's a lot easier. I also, if you have the version of this and you want to change it out, I'm probably not going to swap this out of mine, but I did take an attempt at doing a short version of that to be replaced with those in 8 positions, as well as there's one that has a gap that allows for those longer bits to set in there. So yeah, these are the solutions I came up with. I will include these STLs or 3MF files on my Thangs page, which will be in the description. And with that, let's just see if we can put one in. In the meantime, while we're waiting, as I get ready, if you can subscribe and like my page, that will help get these solutions out there. So much appreciated. And with that, let's take a look at replacing some of these. All right, we're going to replace the Milwaukee drill bits with the hex fittings on the end of them. Here's the two printed parts. This one goes over here. This one's over here. So taking these out, I've done it a few times. So I'm kind of wrecking it a little bit, but you don't want to try to pry out from this side because it's a little stiffer. Just pry it out from this side. And this side. That. And then you can just pull these out. The bigger ones are a little easier to get out because you can get your fingers around. But if they start to get smaller or behind, it can get difficult. So just set them aside for the time being. And this fits in just pretty much the same way. So in the reverse order, you're going to put it in on the inside first, and then you're just gonna push it down, and it'll just twist up and down. Twist it up. I'll do that one in a second. Try to put them back in the same order. All right, again, put it on the inside first and just pop it down. Start putting these back in. There we go. You can also see I did put a different one in here, different style, as well as just down here. That's it. There will be links in the description where you can get these files on my Thangs page. And then also, please like and subscribe. Reminder to like and subscribe and share so these videos get out there. Thank you.